Enra, President Mahama appointed new IGP. And Sembibre and ACC within the week, you know, yet say no be you know now by see a fake news and some but within the week, you know, so you send conform you so I take action at the Abine court so won't prevent the president from removing Dr. Akuffo Dampare as the IGP. But that action is taking place in about 72 hours, you know. You appointed a new IGP. There's a lot of issues concerning the appointment of the new IGP. Ubekaya, about a year ago, current IGP, you know, any one commissioner, Bisunyan Sembibre, almost a parliamentary committee, inquiry committee, be to look into the issues. Sansem when you know, so eventually, there were 2 reports. My name is President Nana Addo at the time. There were 2 reports. Others, you know, going for the IGP, another report going against the IGP. Ya tete Sembibre ewo afa police for any the management team omo police headquarters hono ebi mo fu set top hono omo ntawantawa bi wo omo but eventually, you know, I think that has been settled. Yeah, share videos be bebre personnel of the service bebre ni age say omoyi Dr. Dampare efi hono den and I inform me all this jubilation and number mo share videos we yaba ye ne someone anapia ebe kasa afa sa jubilation because me who be that say they appointed a new IGP within the service, the national headquarters itself, celebrations, open celebrations, and I'm fun to record to say, my papa a retired police officer. I've never seen anything like it before. But 20 videos in here.
To make sure that as we have gotten our freedom, we open the office that has been locked since Dampare became IGP. It's so terrible. A tyrant, a vindictive leader is finally gone, and police service is forever free.
The joy is all over. The joy is everywhere. We are going to win from our heart. Oh, Ghana, the security is in our hand. And this
and it's a videos, no, and the tragu says here, no, yes, police for personnel of the service. Then Akuffo headquarters, Honomo, baby, now feels former IGP, he did his best for the service, but he also feels 1 year the style of leadership, you know, a lot of people had issues with it. In fact, young media for credu baby, now your issues be brave because they do baby crano. Yenya information. Na kwa format be one way of communication be na a hard drink kakra. You try ya senka you be hwese you be to me you know explanations be from the service, you know, as to what was going on. But at the time, you know, na enkoyi that side of friends and communication relationship and media no police for particularly the communications directorate of the Ghana Police Service na normal challenges kakra. Peter, mami starting with you. What your pictures and says here then be ma service for not just but even at the national headquarters as a relief be then ekoso.
Many say now before say me call economy, it's important that I put just some facts right.
In 1 minute, in 1 minute.
You see, you can't a budget that has brought relief onto the people. Oh, yeah, from Bemono na kukubo na profit da. Oh, by 32 billion debt and wabenya to. ECG go and check, and now about over 60 billion debt and wabenya to. Every sector you can baby jato. And to see this is a be transform here. You see to whom much is given, much is expected. When you are 3 oil field, You free on buffers and near the mammo.
With
all due respect, I'm just summarizing that. I'm going to continue 1 minute. So, buffer side, sinking fund, infrastructure fund, stabilization fund, ESLA funds, and you scanning in the mamma, more depleting in your. So what I say, and Tino Sanya Manana Eddie Sikaneba. It is a wood your friends has talked Wahonoma. We expected you to have left more than what you are even talking of.
Okay, but Mami Chukwa
and then lastly, on 24-hour economy. You see, somehow I've received a lot of feedback. With all due respect,
feedback.
We are watching with people. I've received just a second, me patrol. 24-hour economy. We stated government agencies are rolling up 24-hour economy, and some private agencies are being supporting. You can say what I can say. What is a DVL? I can passport office. I can Ghana Port and Harbors authorities. What I can say? You're rolling up 24-hour economy. But why then you come and say that?
If it's not in the budget, how are you going to pay the people? May say any budget.
Well, I agree. Obian one and the chairman say you're appointing new IGP Tetteh Dampare. I'm telling you. Because what follow me, I've been ardent advocate for the removal of IGP. I have followed the Ghana Police Service operation. I'm telling you, you're IGP Dampare, no, a celebrity IGP. Your friend outside gentility, home cry. Oko Ghana Police Service anymore. What you say in the history of our police under the Fourth Republic, your power IGP be jubilation. I could say that. And as ye IGP be free or I'm a jubilation, I could say that. Go and ask yourself why people were living in bondage at the police service. Suppression, vindictiveness. Me say my follow the operation for when I first got some intel, I decided to do personal investigation. And when you go there, that day immediately you be transferred. Me say papa net say one make it comment be a fan that day immediately you transfer people with immediate effect on best some kuku no kaka nyina na omode ko. And so the police service personnel were living in a state of quagmire. And the President Mahama, in his wisdom, and he has the right according to the Constitution, in consultation with Council of State, so by appointing new IGP. And then Adom. Papa, congratulations. COP Christian Tetteh Yohunu. A long-standing experience, 40 years in service, 40 good years in service. Well, me na me yakwadano. Na yeti Christian Tetteh Yohunu. Now we are talking about operations. When we are talking about operation, on one receive presidential award, police officer or receive presidential award as far as operations is concerned. Christian Tetteh Yohunu. And when we are talking about experts in operation, police operations, Christian Tetteh Yohunu. When we are talking about intelligence picking in police service, Christian Tetteh Yohunu.
Are you saying the former IGP lacked all those things?
Yes,
they are units.
No, let me tell you. These are the anchor of police service now. Operations and intelligence. These are the key things. In the Ghana Police Service, go and ask anybody. It is Christian Tetteh Yohunu.
It is visibility now.
Good one. So visibility, yes, CCTV cameras. $6 million Ghana cedis, a jewelry shop now you go via, no. Our mother camera total in conformance where I'm missing a water the baby. It was weak and absolute bad visibility and security intelligence work and because Obia wako there. Watching no. Now what you trying to CCTV camera say what tracing now they are to social media. Who does that? How would you get that?
Those pictures and videos in about out. Those videos came from members of the public who are different vantage points.
No, it was not a police service. No.
Later, the very day I didn't see here, I was actually on duty.
Yes.
That very day. Maybe your videos.
Oh, they make different from what you're saying. The video of the incident. No. The video of the incident. Now what can and now make
yes, later in a CCTV.
And the police service almost CCTV camera no more to photo no more to media so they are tracing them, they will get them. And
because we are asking questions. The media was asking questions.
You only tell
The
them.
media was
Do you
asking
know what
questions.
you
We
do?
wanted updates.
No. You
Now
don't.
we are police.
Intelligence speaking, I am telling you.
We are police.
You don't do this. What you do is that you put the people's picture out there. Now they wanted that. So these are the people. You only brief the public. Say, oh, we are tracing them.
Okay.
But the moment you capture, well, oh, they are here. You are giving them what we call in intelligence. More tip off. And at the end of the day, some of these things were lacking at the police service. And in the police service, the best experience, only say you're appointed as deputy IGP.
Yeah, deputy.
I'm telling you, go and ask. Now you're white elephants deputy. Oh, no operation. Then you know, a suppression. And I'm for promotion and Dampare and then I'm jubilate no.
Okay.
And this and that President Mahama general constitution, so no a pound new one. Imani Ghana, you can't dictate for the president. Supreme Court to do what? It was needless.
Okay.
And it was really
about
a knee-jerk reaction from
about a year ago.
Imani Ghana.
About a year ago, meaning say, okay, COP George Alex Mensah.
Yeah.
Yes, only Bugri Nabu engagement, be tapes, be out, videos, be out, and in your ma. Would you say, sir, and then San Namona retired COP ni take here no? Ubeka say Neno, he's been vindicated ana.
Yo, me da say. Tape yi ne tape ne mo nsem. Asa na me ba so no. Adenti na IGP no person to aso ye IGP.
That's another point.
Ora
Dampare.
Yeah.
Why? Because ye nyina ye nim say Ghana ha no ho. Bibi nti na ye to abawia. Certain heads of institutions, any military head, many amayatas. Ghana was history. We had a history of coups. Say, o mampeni no na, yemfani say mampeni fufro na pao, na fufro ba. Ni jidi wo umuno, ebe wo sukakra. Enti ebe mana surumpo say chief of defense staff, any ni dom na, omu ebetumi aba say ubia na adwumboni ba ni timo obetumi aye ku no, obeja awatna ho. Aprosifo aye ku da o Ghana ha. A soldier for a coup. Nti heads of certain institutions there say me pow na me free ho no mo foforo ba e be dem pa say obeja wo ama watna. Nti wo appointment no ene o mampani na wo appoint wo no etako say bia oba ye na na ho wa enso ye ena enu nti o ma watna ho kakra na odi aboabo ne ho na odi apɛ obi a enko. Na the entire me bisa asem ni say adenti na imani fo nso call court so mo koye dey enu kura be fu o mampani.
And that's why the release came out, because they were all to come together yesterday. And now IGP the ba me because of that court issue.
Me ntiase say omo IGP no person otena ho
but if somebody chooses as a private person to go to court, why are you blaming the IGP?
Oh, na say unim say yetimi takra no German ye.
Oh, okay.
Enti de ema de me kan kosia ne say onim de oyema owura Mahama. Enti wo gidie say owura Mahama betua ne ka.
By keeping him there.
Oh yeah. So oni na edu election no me say uta tie me a. I had a problem.
Okay.
I had a problem with the way from Asin South. Asin South, me boy.
Asin Central.
Asin North.
Asin North.
Yes.
Asin North, Asin Nameke. From Asin North, the way a police for year or muhu said your mu year niama, and I mean who said tape no more asem no correct kakra.
Oh no, but because the IGP didn't allow
the tossum you Mamen come
to come and then misbehave at that constituency. You raised issues with it.
And na media ma adwene mu ehase ye me kesere ne de tossum you no a ema me hu say oh say na nkrofo kan say oni opposition for na ye adwuma sa abre no kore bi be wo baby. And he said, the election we call it. During and immediate the post-election issues happen here. Now approach for pa jina ho. Now odaseni police ni jina ho. Now okuratrio. Now odaseni di ni sa brutable so na we catch us say we will kill you. We will kill you. Na koti jina chain. No ohwe ha. Sa niama sa de media me continue station be then and I may be say na de ye keka fa owura Dampare ho se obi ahye ne bobi obi ni na di nkomo bi no eye no kora na nti ansana me hu IGP bia wo kan se wonte IGP bia se ye yi na nkrofo ebo se but de nti ana gidie wo ho se obetena se no onim adwuma oye onim de oye bo apita nti no wo gidie no otherwise anybody will have the feeling say aban asesa ne de anonya akwala o oye obi a wa rise abeye IGP nim intelligence akura no nti na me bisa Peter aka intelligence one sem na make say who Peter we police
there are levels of intelligence
nti the American ne say onim nyama akura no nti onim de nti owo gidie say ye de no betena ho he knows onim nti me mfa so bo bia mo no owura Mahama na wadi na ade it would have been normal say ye be yi IGP
of course
be ba ne say na akoya abnormal isa ho nti one more jubilating on no media man who video no this is the first time crowd me man who video ni bi but me te say nkrofo oka look upa Yesu Kristo ba asasi so no one more ka Hosanna na si na abo no enti mu be ye adwuma obi a oye adwuma ba bia no mu adwuma mu ha obi pani bi wo ho no mu a ebi wo ho no mu a wo ye too stricter ebi a na enye ne bone so nanso na wanya time bebre nti ebetumi ahika as for being a leader na wanya time kura no e wo bible mu say hu ama time kura na adwuma no wanya ne yie nti wo mo ebo se no enye nwanwa
step on toes
wo mo a omo obi padista obi so shedan mu su ti ni suo say yayi no eno to me it is normal but minua owura Yohunu na waba no me there I have seen his work before. They said the nkrofo kan ho asem no. Metimi adi adanse se kakra me mate afa ne ho. Ene baabi a me ma kohia na mahu na adwuma no. Me gidi se osefata. Adwuma na ye de ahye ne nsa no. Wasom ena asom eduru baabi a ese se ye hye na ni onyam. Enti no esa ni onyam hye we a abai. Ono so wonhwe na said ye yebo ne predecessor no yebo no so bo a ye kan nseboni fa ne ho no anka ye be kan boni a ye kan boni say wo ye papa na anya obi de na enye say wo ye boni e na obi ebo odede ba me de ni nyina nkamfu ano de me de betwa to enye me nkrofo de so maka ye kofa IGP akofa IGP a na nkrofo ka say oye pro MPP NDC ye befa deputy IGP na nkrofo kan say oye pro NDC. That is why we went into an election.
Were you expecting big bow MPP for now? We expecting say IGP no then na more expecting from him.
IGP bia
na more expecting so onye den. The people
onya na adwuma
the people's will can
oya na adwuma
but
ye bro nkrofo no ye te say obi akan say ana IGP akan say police for stamp your authority and ensure that womo a edi nsehunu no omo agyae wote wo baby IGP Dampare no ye pani so obeka ye na obi antie esan say ya ban ya ba power NDC for ya ban ya ba power na oka ye no omo antie a ye nim say wa ye na adwuma that's his job ye na adwuma but otna ho Emma nkrofo ko even into look Michelle nkrofo bi na me bi say maami na mo kan say on sorry mpie na mo nto do ahenim no why adwuma wey 40 years or so for trotro ba adwuma ote na konwa ti so ye dua konwa Peter office ube ko hoses ya no swivel chair o twa ne ho 360 air condition e be chen Russia wo onu ya politician be maami na wo ko kwa mo onu wa ye wo den
ahwefo so embre mu kakra phone lines no and that screens no so no ofrea na wa ma okasa aye tietia na yetumi asanfa afoforo enti we the phone lines no and that screens no so no 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 and that ho no to frea na wa ma wasem aye tietia yem pese obekasa aye obi a
I believe in the expertise, experience, and the competence of COP Christian Tetteh Yohunu. as now our IGP. Per the investigation engagement, am I here over the time at the Ghana Police Service?
I've dealt with him personally also.
The best IGP we have gotten now. And I believe in your President Mama, I can't see and I know, sir, he's going to take it in good faith and work at it. The police welfare. You see, he can do all other things. Most importantly, in this agency, the people within the agency, they are the key stakeholders of consultation and engagement. And you'll be pursuing information about you, it is within any baby. And the President Mama Kansas and the Christian Tetteh Yohunu that I have come to know, I believe is going to give a good service to the people of the Ghana and the Ghana Police Service. And you know, Ghana for any Ghana Police Service.
Yeah, hello? Hello? Yeah, hello? Abu? Hello, Abu?
Hello?
Abu, Pacho, men tell who TV no so why?
Good morning.
Good morning, it's the same, Pacho.
I'm a pay welcome to the night.
Pacho, who you? Yo.
And I pay my Micha Mesa, excellent to John Draman, I must throw host. Because parents know on my manager on pa, every clean, more commercial more than 90%. The MPP workers are more than 90%. Please, let's be balanced so that we'll be able to make an answer. Now, Sunday, when you can. Just 2 months or 2 months, 3 weeks. They are still shouting. We are begging them. What about this economy? Project in Pierre, what's here? Want to 1 year? Want to come for a count? Good 8 years. Want to one project to watch it.
Abu Bacho Medasi. Yes, hello.
Hello, Benigazi.
What you saying?
Nyanko Badum, your team come on.
Udini baby Alfrefi. Udini baby Alfrefi.
Udini teacher constitution because free abunere amwa. Se me na me mpino wana bu me council board.
Me ntio.
Nyanko po nshira anu onyo kasi nefa ansabo MPP ni na beti emam. Uze MPP awa ban mu ni e call asin of abatu na jati kwesi hono. Uze MPP ni yesu. Enso IGP yan na ne appoint no. Etro pefe say IGP oba no ahwe MPP ahwe NDC. Edodo na akwa na ma NDC bo no. Ba wona so panu ready o mo letter release na last sentence no senkanya ipa na ta munyu akwa ka so dey ready say na hu hia so o mo de be ka ho a. Asi say say man de be wa anya dwuma bia. Na positive no wa unim say o mo kwa mo nkogire gina kwa na so bebre no mo nje sokolafia no. Eno ha o mo ntina o mo ebinim ani agesa no. But me de minim say papa na dwuma de obeye bi. Yankopon shira no onyo kasi mami chi akuka.
Medasi. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Pacho Udini baby Alfrefi.
You play me opening kwesi Tetteh. Dada o Achimapiga. Hello.
Hello, Pacho mientio.
Jamaica no say Ghana for yan papa. Ghana for the beer ya kwanya basco 1. IGP Dampare obaye obi e din wada sese we adwuma. Oye adwuma papa chese. Wo hwe police headquarters wo hwe why neat. Hwe police shop wo ko chese. Na police for so discipline abam na mom tede menu an kae no. Tede omo kwaji bribe alas be chief police the chief oji bribe na report no say wo aditi no jiska opi sankofo hwe no. Wo ko Akuffo Dampare kwan so a Meti foi, omuye do no ma se sketch botum. Omuye na ma dia ma police ni. Police ni.
Yo, Pacho Pacho medasi. Medasi. Baby akuka call Pacho. Me fese menya me last caller na yen hwe ni efensi. Hello. 2 p.m. Hello, who are manu so?
Pacho 2 p.m. asomo
Pacho no last caller. Go frefi.
Nyankopon wonhyira pa na mamenchia NDC original chairman na kwesi one wana bokin Zuba income me boss kuma se nya share MPP man na oto no ye besere His Excellency Goodluck Obama John Dramani Kwame Trump Mahama Pacho ba ya fe na wanya 2 months ko 3 months o ana MPP fo no enye omo so na be kire ene ma ya nye o masa omo era papa yo ba ya how many months no wanya mo 8 years die na nipa beye me pa che o DCOP Kofi Boache na oni ho na ye be pa mo no ana na weni kura no ai Dampare ko no aya MPP fo bi de e di ntia me 2 pm na me chum challenge u ba ina Ashanti region aya MPP fo bebrebe da o mo jubilate say ye yi Dampare afro matter new government new key new law and MPP for never share the enye
yeah that's it Peter in 1 minute in 1 minute
you see Dampare dey wa be ne dey
okay
you see IGP a yewo Christian Tetteh Yohunu mesre Ghana Police Service fo nyina Ghana fo nyina mo me nta papa na chi wo gidie e wo papa no experience a owo no intelligence operational experience a papa no wo no o de beboa ama baby a Dampare eyeduru ye no ye nya new face of the Ghana Police Service amafo kan ehun se bibre ba ni nyina se president e wo gidie wo ni mu enti boss 21 gun salute COP Christian Tetteh Yohunu IGP 1 ye chiao baba ye no be ye juma
yeah we dey made that and the topics mienu budget no
the appointment of
the IGP appointment budget no there mesre ye nyina ye 24-hour economy
okay
the yidie no ye besre ye toso mienu ameka fa budget no ho ne say esika omo atwitwa ahye baabi no ye bedi akire na ye hu ye boy akire na ya ka akire Ghana for nanso ye nyina ye wa ha so mo ye o man ni ya ebeka obi a nti o mo nhwe o mo anamu yi
yo medase ha na edi dwumedie no ye de besi me da cameraman lighting for technical for me producers and me directors me boss AC Ohene me da mo nyina ase me den di wolanyo Frank Nyonato ha ana edi dwumedie no ebesi bye bye